Okay, this is called Rua da Mission of Fatima. Mission of Fatima. There's like a little fire here earlier. Don't know exactly what happened. I don't really look like it didn't really come of anything. But anyways, we're going to be exploring this one, so stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is Rua, Street of Mission of Fatima. So we're gonna just kind of cross over, I think, and just kind of see. It's kind of an interesting looking building, for one. Has all this kind of interesting apartments like that. I think I saw it from the other side too, so let me just see. I kind of want to catch it from this park side too, so let's just kind of go back a little bit. Yeah, actually that one looks like it's kind of built the same way as well. So what we're gonna do with this one is we're going to go around to the park, and I just want to see what this overall apartment looks like as well. Yeah, actually it's kind of interesting because you have this kind of stuff too, like this little backyard with that, like a really cool little balcony right there. So that, and then you also have a little park, this little park right here as well. So you can do a lot of exercising. And then you have all these tall buildings everywhere as well. So this is the front side of that back street that we're on, and I guess there's like a little courtyard for people that live in this place, which is amazing. It's really uncommon in here. Huh. I guess this is just enough space for a bike. So this is one street right here. Looks pretty interesting. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep going down this way. And there's okay, that's the Mission of Fatima. So I think that this is a school right here, and it must be a Catholic school because there's a beautiful artwork right there as well. Yeah, can you see the artwork right up there? Fatima is the girls of Fatima. Girls? Boys? Girls. Huh, this is a girls' school. Our Lady of Fatima Girls' School. This is so cool. This is beautiful. Huh. Yeah, little classroom. That's one thing that's really nice about this city is there's a Catholic influence and a Portuguese influence. So you see kind of cool stuff like this mixed in with the culture. And so yeah, right to the left of me is part of the school. And we're just gonna follow the street up and just see what we can see. This is all part of our street anyways that we're focusing on, so. Okay, this looks like this is the side entrance, I think. Our Lady of Fatima Girls' School. Okay. This looks cool. There it is right there. So there it is in Chinese, there it is in English. Our Lady of Fatima Girls' School. Cool. It looks like there's a sports center straight up this way as well. So that's the sports center straight ahead. Okay. 101 special. There's interesting stuff all around here. There's McDonald's right there too. Okay, so our focus of this one was Rua da Mission de Fatima. So Fatima, the Mother Mary statue right there has a school and a street named after her. Okay, pretty cool. And this is the surrounding of this Escola. It says school right there. It says reduce your speed because of the school, and that blue sign says reduce your speed because of the school right here. Okay, so there we go. Let's end this one right here. Hope you like this one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.